Oftentimes, Amazon sellers aren't just purchasing final goods from their suppliers to resell. They are buying intermediate goods in order to build kits or bundles of goods as part of their catalog of offerings. But how does the demand for these kits translate into purchase orders to your suppliers? This question is made even more difficult when component parts are used in multiple kits or they are sold as final goods themselves. How will you know when you're running low on one part and potentially overstocked on others? Fortunately for ForecastRx users, the application has the unique ability to account for all of these situations automatically. ForecastRx's Kit Builder functionality takes into account demand on all levels and provides accurate purchase orders and work orders for components and kits respectively. This ensures you're always ordering and building the right products in the right quantities at the right times.